In previous tutorial or previous video, we have used the extrude boss command. Of extrude boss command, we use the simple basic, that is blind feature of the extrude boss command. In this tutorial, we are going to use the from feature. You can see here from feature. In this feature we have the multiple option. In from feature we are going to use the surface facing plane. Okay, so how to use and how to modify our product is in SolidWorks in part file. In this tutorial we will going to be explained. So let me connect with me. Let's connect with me. Okay, now for that, select the sketch. Select the face of the any face as you wish. Click on sketch. By clicking Ctrl and 8, you will go to the normal view. So select the, I am taking circle. So by dragging, that is, it will automatically get the center line. Okay, now from here and here I am taking the centroid of the circle or the rectangle. Make a circle of dia of 100 mm. So click on OK, go to the feature and select the extrude boss. Now in this tutorial we are going to be focusing on this surface face plane. From means from where you want to extrude the sketch. Okay, so I am selecting the surface. SolidWorks will show you and question you to from which surface you want to extrude. I am selecting this surface. Okay, if you want this surface, or if I am deleting this and selecting this surface. Okay, I am selecting this surface, then SolidWorks will take the extrude from this surface, not from this surface. Okay, it is very interesting and very useful command. Now I am taking the extrude of 100 mm. Now 100 mm is means the extrude is up to this, that is 100 mm means from here this face to this direction, that is Z direction. The sketch will extrude in this direction. So I have to take, if we want to extrude this sketch in this direction of 100 mm, so I have to get it selected, go to dimension and take this dimension of 200 plus 100 mm. So you can see the extrude is up to 100. It means we have select, because we have select the surface feature, surface face or plane from surface, that means the distance from this to this is about 300. Okay, I think you will know more about I think you understand this tutorial or this video. I will provide this part file in description, so you can easily go and download this file and open in SolidWorks tutorial, SolidWorks software. Okay, thank you for watching. We will meet in next tutorial.